BES families, we are so appreciative for you working with us to load your child safely at the close of each school day. We are now loading over 400 students daily into our car rider lane. Due to the increase in car rider participants and for the safety of all travelers through Bar Avenue, beginning Monday, we will add an additional lane. We anticipate that this will help our cars move faster and be loaded faster, and will also keep traffic safely flowing on Bar Avenue. Parents and guardians, you will continue entering and making a right-hand turn from Bar Avenue into the school parking lot. We will then shift into 2 lanes. Your car will proceed to the caller where your child's name will be called into our holding areas. Your car will continue pulling down and come to a complete stop. We ask that you please leave up your car rider signs until the child has entered the car. We also ask that you please put your car in park for your safety and all of their children's safety. Once all cars are in park, we will release the students and the students will proceed to their cars. We will have school personnel lined up between both lanes for student safety. Remember, when your child enters the car, to please take down the car rider sign. That lets school personnel know that the child has been loaded and you are ready to proceed. Once all car rider signs are down, we will begin releasing lanes individually. If you need additional time buckling up your child, please pull to the left parking lot. If for some reason your child is not loaded, school personnel will tell you to pull to the front office. You will need to go to the front door. Here are a few reminders for everyone. Continue working with your child to know when their name is called, they will go to the exit. Also, keep your car rider signs up until your child has safely entered the car. Pull to the left-hand parking lot if you need to lock your child in, and pull to the front office if your child is not in your car. We are continuing to work with each other. We know that we are always better together. Thank you for your patience and your flexibility to keep our children safe.